Good day everyone and welcome to Easy Filipino Mathematics, and our lesson for today is all about derivative of logarithmic functions with 7 examples. So derivative of logarithmic functions. Definition: if y is equal to f of x equals logarithmic of sub a times x, or x with the base of x, where x is the differentiable function, then the derivative of y is equal to logarithmic of sub a base of e times the derivative of y over dx, where e is equal to 2.71828182 ellipses. For the another definition, if y is equal to f of x is equal to ln of x, where x is differentiable function, then the derivative of y is equal to dx over x. So we will just copy x here. And then, for the last one, if y is equal to f of x equals the logarithmic of base 10 with sub 10 base x, base 10. X, where x is differentiable function, then the derivative of y is equal to m times dx over x, where m is equal to 0.432 43429, or simply logarithm of base 10 e. Yun ang kanyang equivalent. Okay, so please screenshots these three important equations that we will be gonna use in solving the 7 examples. And the last one. Alright, let's have the first example. Our first example is logarithm of a. So we will use the first definition. Where is it? Logarithm of a. Let me see. Okay. Of base a, 3x squared minus 6x plus 7. Okay, so we will just follow the given, what do you call this? The given equation na magiging guide natin kanina. So kanina sabi ko, we have the derivative of y equals logarithmic or logarithm of base a e dy over dx, okay, or x. Okay, so we have here, so this is our x, na? Siya yung x natin. So we have y equals a logarithm of base a, tapos maglalagay lang tayo ng e, and then maglalagay tayo ng vinculum, or yung division sign. Vinculum, ibang tawag nila. So we need to get the derivative of this x. So we have 2 times 3 is 6, then x, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then this is 1, so 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. And then wala na siya, di ba? So yan na yung pinaka-final niya. And then sa ilalim, we will just copy the x, so we have 3x squared minus 6x plus 7. So this is our final answer. So for the logarithm of base a, quantity 3x squared minus 6x plus 7 is equal to the logarithmic of base a, e, times 6x minus 6 over 3x squared minus 6x plus 7. Alright, so madali lang siya, right? Let's have another example. For the next example, we have this one. So we will still use the same equation na pinakita ko kanina. Okay, so we have the derivative of y equals logarithmic of base a. Then maglalagay ka ng letter e. Okay. This is a chain rule kasi meron siyang exponent dyan doon sa ating equation. So we have 5, and then x plus 5, then 5 minus 1 is 4. And then the derivative of x plus 5 is 1, di ba? That's 1 lang. X, ito lang kasi yung variable natin na may x eh. So this is 0. So x, yung x kasi pag x lang siya, that's equal to 1. So 1 times x plus 5, same lang. So wag na natin sulat. Kung gusto mo yung sulat, pwede kang maglagay ng dot 1 dyan. Kung hindi naman, okay lang. And then, dyan sa baba is x plus 5 raised to the 5th power. And then dito, pwede natin i-cancel ito. Eto, kakancel mo siya, meron pang matitirang isa, di ba? So, we have a final answer of the derivative of y, logarithmic of base a, e, 5 over x plus 5. Ayan. So, yan na yung final answer natin for example number 2. So, madali lang sila, right? Madali lang siyang gawin. No? Basta alam mo lang yung alam mo lang yung equation na susundin natin. Okay, next. Y is equal to logarithmic of a 3x quantity x minus 4. So, ano kaya to? Paano kaya to gagawin? Okay, so we have same thing lang pala siya. So, pero meron tayong two variables. So, gagamit tayo ng product rule dito, no? So, we will use the product rule in solving this logarithmic equation. So, we have y, then logarithmic of base a, e, okay? So, yung sa baba, same lang naman yung sa baba, di ba? We have 3x, then quantity x minus 4. And then, sa taas naman, dahil product rule yan, so this is u, and this is v. Okay? So, we have 3x, and then the derivative of x minus is 1 lang naman. X minus 4. Plus x minus 4, derivative of 3x is 3. Okay? And then, simplify. Just simplify this equation. Kung isi-simplify mo yan, alam nyo naman kung paano gawin yon. We have logarithmic of a, e, and then that's equal to 3x plus 3x. Okay? 3x, 3x eh. So, we have 6x minus 12. Correct me if I'm wrong na lang. So, we have here 3x quantity x minus 4. And then, ilalabas natin yung 3. Okay? Ilalabas natin yung 3 dito. So, we will have medyo mahaba. Dito muna tayo focus, no? Para hindi masyadong mahaba yung isusulat natin. So, kung ilalabas natin yung 3, we have 3 and then 2x minus 4 over 3x x minus 4. Tama? Okay, then we can cancel 3. So, magiging answer natin is 2x minus 4 over x quantity x minus 4. So, our final answer here is, susulit na natin sila, logarithmic of base a, e, vinculum 2x minus 4, then x quantity x minus 4. Ayan. So, yun yung pinaka-final answer natin for this specific example, which is logarithmic of base a, 3x, quantity x minus 4. And the answer is logarithmic of base a, e, 2x minus 4 over x, quantity x minus 4. Okay? Yan yung pinaka-simplest natin. Or kung gusto mo pang i-multiply si x kay x minus 4, pwede rin naman. That is x squared minus 4x. Next, we have ln. Okay, ito yung kanina naman, no? Na ang gagawin lang natin is kukunin lang natin derivative. So, ang itsura ng equation dapat is ganyan, ha? Dy over x lang. Okay, wala na yung logarithmic of blah blah blah. So, for this, we have y equals, what is the derivative of 5x squared minus 4x plus 8? So, that is 2 times 5, that's 10. X and then minus 4. Yun lang kasi this is equal to 0. Cancel na yan. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's why we have still x. And then sa ibaba naman, we have 5x squared minus 4x plus 8. Okay? So, that's our final answer. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? Alright. Now, next. We have ln of 4x over, ayan, sine 3x. Medyo ano to, no? tricky siya. Pero still, we need to follow the rule. No? Ang ating rule natin ay the derivative of dy over x. So, ang gagawin lang natin, kukunin natin derivative. So, this is u and this is b. So, we need to use the quotient rule if you still remember the quotient rule. Ano ba yung quotient rule? Paano kasi siya? We need to, okay, let me remember. So, we have v um, times the derivative of u minus u times derivative of b over I think v squared, no? Ganun yata siya. Okay. So we have v, so we have sine 3x. Ito yan, no? V. Derivative of u is 4x. So we have, the 4x, which is 4. So multiply by 4 minus u, which is 4x. Okay, lagyan natin ito ng square bracket. And then cosine, for the derivative of b, we have cosine 3x. And then derivative of 3x is 3. Okay, all over b squared for the sine 3x. b squared is sine squared 3x. Yun lang, ganun lang naman siya. And then, all over, don't forget the x here. Ito lang yung kinuha natin dyan. Ito yung equivalent niyan. Then, yung x natin is same. Kukunin lang natin yung x natin. Ito yung buong x yan. No? So, we have 4x over sine 3x. Hopefully, magkasya ito dito sa ating tawag dito screen, no? So, dito ko na lang isulat para magkasya pa. So, that is equal to 4 sine 3x minus, this is 12, no? 3 times 4 is 12. So, we have negative 12x cosine 3x. Okay? All over sine 2x, 3x, I'm sorry. Ito yan, kinapi ko lang siya. All over 4x over sine 3x. Ayan. Next is, ikakopy natin yan, then kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng denominator. So, we have derivative of y equals, ito yan, no? Yung 4 sine, I hope makapagsulat ako. Medyo nahirapan ako sa bandang lower part ng ating screen kasi hindi masyadong nagpa-function yung aking pen. Minus 12x cosine 3x over sine squared 3x. Okay, kinapi ko lang ito, na times, kukunin natin yung reciprocal nito, that's sine 3x over 4x. Ayan. Okay. In this portion, pwede nating, paano ba? Pwede tayo maglabas ng 4 dito, no? Kung ilalabas ko yung 4 dito, magiging 3 na lang ito. Tama? So, magiging 3 na lang siya. And then, dito naman sa ibaba, pwede nating i-cancel kasi this is equivalent to 2. Ibig sabihin, dalawang sine 3x yan. So, pwede kong i-cancel ito para ma-cancel ko yung buong yon. Okay? So, ito maka-cancel din at maka-cancel din yung 4. So, ang matitira nating answer is equal to sine 3x minus 3x na 3x cosine 3x. Remember, di natin pwedeng galawin ito, no? Hindi natin pwedeng ipag-multiply ito tsaka ito. All over x, ito yung natira. And then dito naman, sine 3x. So, quantity sine 3x. Ayan. Okay? So, that's our final answer. Kung nalilito kayo, you can go back doon sa discussion natin dito. Pwede mo namang i-rewind. Okay? Pero ganito lang siya kasimple, no? Tatandaan mo lang na for the ln of 4x over sine 3x, UV yan. Kasi ano siya quotient rule. Okay, so babalikan mo na naman yung quotient rule. Paano naman yung quotient rule? So, for the quotient rule, we have v derivative of u minus u, derivative of v over v squared. For the ln naman, meron tayong derivative of y equals dy over x. So, yung sinasolve natin dito sa dy, eto yan. So, kaya medyo mahaba yung dito natin. No? Alam mo dapat yung u at v. Pero yung buong yan, consider siya as x lang. Kaya doon, dito sa ilalim, sinulat lang natin yung 4x over sine 3x. And then, simplify lang natin siya until such time na makuha natin yung final answer natin. Okay? Now, let's have the last one. Dito gagamit na tayo ng letter M. Okay, kasi we have the base 10. No? So, we have M. So, paano naman gawin ito? Okay, same lang siya. So, we have the derivative of y equals m. Ayan, maglalagay ka ng letter m. And then, what is again, meron siyang, parang ganyan lang siya kanina. So, dy over dx. So, we have derivative of 3x minus 5 is 3. And then, copy 3x minus 5. Okay, so that's our final answer here. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? Parang yung mga first example natin kanina. Okay? Next, this one. Okay? Meron tayong u tsaka v kasi quotient rule ito. So, again, ganun pa rin naman ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, madali lang naman ito. Basta alam mo yung rule sa quotient rule. Okay? So, this is u and this is v. Now, for the logarithm of 10, we have m, then multiply, parang multiplication sign, and then what is u and v? So we have v, we have 2x minus 1, and then the derivative of x is 1, okay, minus u, so we have x, then derivative of 2x minus 1 is 2, all over v squared, that is 2x minus 1 squared. So 2x minus 1 squared. So, huwag mo munang i-multiply yung 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 para baka kasi pwede ka naman mag-cancel sa bandang last part. All over x over, ayun, kukunin na natin yung x, no? 2x minus 1. Ayan. Then, pwede na natin i-simplify. So, we have, ito muna, okay? We have m times 2x minus 1, 1. So, ganun lang siya. So, we have 2x minus 1 minus 2x, di ba? Minus 2x. Okay? All over 2x minus 1 squared. All over x over 2x minus 1. Here, 2x 2x minus 2x is 0, so negative 1 ang answer natin. So, ang magiging answer natin dyan is m times negative 1 over 2x minus 1 squared, kinapi ko lang to. And then ito, kunin natin yung reciprocal kasi naka-divide siya, diba? Ito yung division sign. Okay, if you still remember, again, ulitin ko, yan yung dy over x. So, what's the reciprocal? Okay, so we have 2x minus 1 all over x. So, pwede natin i-cancel yung isa dito. Yan, para ma-cancel yon. So, we have a final answer of the derivative of y equals m times negative 1 all over, that is huh? I think that's x, then 2x minus 1. Or pwede siyang 2x squared minus x. Okay? So again, yung m, this is equivalent to logarithmic of base 10 e. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng m. M is equal to logarithmic of base 10 tapos e. Okay? So, that's all about for the derivative of logarithmic functions with 7 examples. So, I hope you learned something for today's lesson. Good day!